Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I have an awesome DIY for you to do this summer. I painted these pair of shorts and they kind of look like geometry, a little bit like stained glass. I don't really know, but I love them and they're so simple and so easy to make. Honestly, they're going to be my favorite shorts to wear this summer. Actually, let me go get them for you. So here are the shorts. I honestly love them so much and the detailing is so simple. So here is the front. It just has a little tiny pocket detail. And then here are the back of the shorts. And I'm honestly just in love with them. I've already worn them twice. Of course, not actually out of my house because I've been staying at home and quarantining. But I love them, and as soon as we do get out in the summer, I'm going to be wearing them a ton. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make those shorts. And if you like these types of videos and want to see more of them, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe. And with that, let's get into it. Hey guys, so for this DIY, the first thing you're going to need is a pair of old shorts. Mine are from Abercrombie and they have a little detailing on the back pockets. Preferably you can find some without, but mine do have a decal and it works perfectly fine, so whatever you can find works. The next item you will need is white acrylic paint. I will link the exact one I got down below. And then you are going to need a little sponge applicator tool. I used a 1-inch one. You are also going to need some 1-inch to 2-inch masking tape. This is to outline the pocket shorts to make sure your paint doesn't go everywhere. And also some 1/4-inch masking tape to outline the little lines you're going to draw on top of. So the first thing you're going to want to do is outline your shorts with masking tape. Make sure to get up to the very edge of the pocket so none of the paint gets on the actual shorts underneath. I used 1-inch masking tape and it works pretty fine. I'm pretty messy with my painting, so if you're pretty messy too, 1-inch should be good. But honestly, if you only have 2-inch or 3/4 inch, those work fine as well. What I'm going to do next is lay 3 diagonal lines onto my pocket and then start placing random little strips of the 1/4-inch tape all over, forming almost triangles, somewhat squares. They're in between a triangle and a square. Pretty much use any amount of tape that you feel is good and start adding some geometric shapes onto your shorts. After that, do the other side and you're done with the taping. Next, what you're going to want to do is add a small amount of white paint onto your sponge and start lightly patting it onto your shorts. Make sure to get all over and have none of the spots missing. This is crucial because when you take the tape off, you want to make sure that the lines are pretty defined so you don't have any patchy geometric designs. After I did my first one, I moved on and did all of my second. After you've painted both pockets, you want to make sure that you get all the areas with any type of stitching because that is going to be the hardest one to paint. So I like to go back over and just get the edges of the pockets to make sure everything looks okay. Now I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes. You can also wait 15 minutes or an hour. I just like to do 30 minutes because I'm a little bit anxious, but it's also enough time for the paint to be completely dry. After your 30 minutes is up, you can come back and start ripping off the tape. I like to do one pocket at a time, starting with the outer edge and working into the middle with the tinier pieces of tape. After that, you are done with the back. You can now flip it over and start with the front. So we're going to do the same thing that we did on the back with the front. We're going to use the 1-inch masking tape all around the little tiny pocket. Again, make sure to get really close to the pocket so you're only getting paint where you want to. Next, I added the 1/4 tape all around the inside pockets and the tiny little triangles / squares again. Now, just like we did with the back of the shorts, I'm going to add a little dollop of acrylic paint and start patting it into the shorts. Now, I'm going to wait 15 minutes for this because it's a smaller area and I'm kind of impatient. After your 15 minutes are up, you can come back and rip off the tape and you are done. I honestly love them so much and I hope you guys do too. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys like the shorts and make some of your own. Please let me know down below if you do and any other DIYs or other crafts you want to see this summer. So thank you so much and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!